In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Calendar with another person. This is a useful guide if you're looking to coordinate schedules with family, friends, or even colleagues. Let's dive in and make sure the process is simple and smooth for everyone involved. First, you'll want to start by going to your Google Calendar, open your preferred web browser and head over to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account, as this will be the calendar you're sharing. Once you're on the main calendar page, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll notice a gear icon. Click on this icon and select Settings from the drop down menu. Settings is where you'll manage not just sharing but lots of different calendar features. Now with the settings open, look toward the bottom left of the screen. Here you'll see a list of your available calendars. Click on the specific calendar you're interested in sharing. This brings you to that calendar's settings. Navigate to the section labelled Shared With or similar wording. This is where the magic happens. To share the calendar, go ahead and click on Add People and Groups. This action opens up a field for you to enter the email address of the person or group you'd like to share with. Make sure you enter the correct email address to avoid any mishaps. Once you've added the necessary email, you'll need to decide what kind of access they'll have. Look for a drop-down menu next to the email address field. When you click on it, several options appear like See Only Free/Busy, See All Event Details, Make Changes to Events, or even Make Changes and Manage Sharing. This choice is significant as it defines how much control the other person will have over your calendar. Finally, once you've selected the appropriate permission level, all you have to do is hit Send. This will send an email invitation to the person you added, notifying them that you've shared your calendar with them. They can then accept the invitation, and just like that, your calendars are synced. Remember, sharing your calendar is a great way to ensure everyone stays in the loop with meetings, appointments, and events. It's perfect for simplifying your coordination with others. And there you have it, a straightforward way to share your Google Calendar with someone else. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Have a great day.